20'7½".
Fucking rough end day.
Yes.
Underneath slab.
20'7½". Let's pull that.
I'll pull that dick out.
Put this on that outside of that form.
Whoa!
Won't lose it in the trench.
Where's it going?
Over here.
Where?
Radio.
I don't know.
Yeah, right there will work.
Yeah! Did you hear that?
We could probably just form it over there. Right on the very corner.
Well, this board don't match up, brother.
Pull it on the, yeah, the one that's down.
That shit'll be fucked.
20'7½".
Hell yeah.
Okay, go to that side.
I shit it a little bit. Just a little bit. Hell yeah.
Okay.
Well, for fuck. Damn.
Keep it there.
Shit. Shit.
Jesus.
I shit it again.
What the hell is that?
That's I had ham again.
Oh, great.
Yeah, it's one of them things.
Grab a roll of string.
Where? Where? I don't see shit. Which holes?
That screw to the east screw.
To the east? What east? Where? I don't see east. That's west. The fuck way are we facing right now? That's east.
That's east.
Jesus.
Well, I said the east screw.
Over here.
Yeah.
South. What side's that on? Does it matter?
What?
What side's that on?
The screw?
Yeah, or is it
Don't matter.
or is it centered? Oh, you pussy. There we go.
I don't know why you don't just send Tyler on it.
Just put Tyler on it. Fuck him. Pressure fittings under the ground all day long, baby.
Hell yeah. Let's pull another one. Same deal.
Suck him down. East on both of these?
Yeah.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Get off of there. Get off of there. Well, good thing you said that. Ah! Why is this being such a pussy today? God damn, dude. Did you hear that?
I did.
That's fucked.
If I'm not careful, I'll probably smell it too.
You don't want to do that.
You want to unhook that string for a minute?
Shit now. Ugh. Grunt till you die. Who the fuck? Fuck off of there. Yep. Yeah. Pussy. So fucking strong. Just take the whole motherfucker. Get fuck in my pocket. Hip. Hip. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Jesus. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeet. Yep. Yeah. pussy. Fucker didn't even know.
Nope. There he was.
Hoochie mama, baby. Jesus. I ain't that strong today.
No?
Nope.
But you are that gay.
I'm always gay. There ain't nothing better than sucking dudes. Especially on a nice hot Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yep. Yep. Hoochie mama.
You get that thick, gunky yellow shit? Like, just.
Yeah.
It's just real gunky yellow shit.
Yes.
This is like really watery, like piss yellow, like neon piss yellow, really thin shit.
Is it gooey?
Yeah, but it's not like thick, like fucking.
That's
Like a loogie.
that's
it's
weird.
Like really thin, watery, but
Fuck.
it's piss yellow.
That's weird as shit. Mine's like mine's chunky, dude.
Mine's chunky too, but the one nostril is a yellow, thin shit.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's neat. Straight as fuck, baby. Just like me. Just kidding.
Huh?
That's about as straight as I am, dude.
Jesus.
Fucking gay, boy. And I like it. I like dudes. I like sucking on dudes. I primed this for you. For what?
Didn't ask you to prime that one.
Jeez.
We'll use it somewhere.
Jesus. Almost died.
Maybe don't.
Okay. I like the way you stroke the pipe.
Stroke.
Pure stroke nation. There you go. Fucking. Nice cock. Where'd my drink go? There it is. Fuck. Super juice. Ah! Yeah.
This dual vent system should confuse the fuck out of me.
I like it. Put the twin exhaust in there. Hell yes. Hell yes. It's a good spot for that pipe. The fuck out of here. I did it. That's nice. I was just stroking my shaft on my Chevelle. Can't believe you sold the True Temper.
For $200?
But for $200, fuck, you know.
You
You,
gave $8 for it?
and it was a fat boy. It wasn't even a good
Piece
one.
of shit.
Well, it wasn't a piece of shit. It's still a good shovel, but you need to get one of these Jacksons. Try them out.
I've tried yours before.
No, well, yeah.
Just don't turn my crank.
You just can't run him. I've got this shaft so worn in that it's perfect for me. You rub on him long and hard enough, he'll do some shit for you.
It's like my little boy.
I know, I know.
It's like my dick, little.
Well, you get that on them bigger jobs. I like the way the glue sounds in the pipe. Juicy Pussy was her name. America. Get in there, bitch. I made this for you, Daddy. Nine and a half. 12 and a half. I'm a fucking genius. He's a wizard. Get on there. Jesus. Good thing this is getting buried. Just made a fucking mess.
Yeah. Yes. Trying to decide if we should give him a 15-inch rough or what we should do for him.
Hell yeah. Is that our boy?
Who?
I don't know, job site owner boy?
Yeah.
Mr. Whoa, whoa. I about just fucking sent that for no reason. There's a pipe. There's common primer. If we started like a glue company, could we call it like cement cum or cum cement or
A can of cum.
can of cum? I think
Yeah.
that'd be good. Can of cum.
Let's get her started.
How do we come up? How do we come up with the cum?
I don't know. Just produce the cum.
Start milking dudes.
Yes.
Jesus. Now I made sure to cut that real square,
Yeah.
so you can just level off the top.
Oh.
Nice. Shovel work in, you know? Get that fucking dirt moving, dude. Used to call us the backhoe back in the day. Yes.
Called you the hoe.
Oh, sure did. They called me the backhoe when other dudes were around. That's where I was.
Yeah.
I was in the back, right there in that porter shitter on the job site.
Yeah.
Just getting digged down, dude. That's where I belong. In the trenches with the boys.
Porter shitter.
Porter shitter. Getting some of that blue goo in me. I know you're jealous.
Yeah.
Pussy. Whoa. Misfired. Oh. Hell yeah. Fucking rough-in, baby. See that?
Yeah. Just working there, huh?
They call me the pipe worker.
Yeah. They do, don't they?
Oh yeah. Put that in there. We're done on this side, eh?
I think so.
I can pack it up.
We'll set that floor drain when we get the laser out.
I'll give you a laser.
If we get the laser.
They used to call me Laser.
Laser dick.
Laser dick. Yes. Yep. Yep.
There's a little moisture in that dirt.
There is. Must have rained here. Shit's wet.
Back in 87.
Back in 87. I wonder if he water packed it maybe. Wasn't that homeboy? Oh,
Surely.
Amish country, didn't he? Dirt wet pack or whatever. He was all jacked up about it.
Yeah, I think so.
Fucking hot tub over there scared me. I thought someone was coming to get us.
He must really like that. 'Cause he's putting out a big ass pad out here.
Hot tub nation, dude.
Hot tub, a couple chairs.
Hell yes. Couple chairs and a hot tub.